about this BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe that I've been driving. This is actually the most fun BMW I've driven in a while, because it's nice and small and taut, and yes, it is based on BMW's new UKL, not new, 5-year-old UKL platform, which is Unterklasse as they call it in German, the underclass or lower class platform, which is the BMW's front wheel drive platform. This is actually the first front wheel drive BMW sedan I have ever driven, because it is actually the first front wheel drive BMW sedan built in a while, I guess, or ever. Tremendous fun. Same 2-liter diesel engine as you see on the 3 or the 5 series, same 190 PS of power, but 190 PS of power in a car as small and light and as this is tremendous fun. If there is one thing I wish I did have over the day, it would have been the petrol engine options. I don't know what petrol engine options BMW will launch with this car. That's the problem using your hands on new BMWs, is that stupid gesture control. Anyway, this is tremendous fun to drive. I mean, you know, I don't know how much the M Sport spec that I'm driving will cost. This of course has this large screen over here and a full digital display over here. I really do hope BMW India specs up even the lower spec cars, because you know it's going to be a bit ridiculous spending 35 lakhs on a car and not getting features that even a 12 lakh rupee Korean hatchback has. But this M Sport is fully loaded. I mean, it's tremendous. Great features, great fun to drive. I don't know what petrol engines BMW will get or what state of tune those petrol engines will be in, because nowadays, as you know, the numbers on the back of German cars have virtually no relation to engine size anymore. That's a whole different debate we can have some other time. In fact, it's a nice topic for another video. But this is the 2-liter diesel with 190 PS of power. Great fun to drive. Really enjoyed it. Really nice, really light. I'm actually at a loss of words with in certain aspects with this car. Genuinely, BMW has a winner here. It goes up against the Audi A3, which is currently not being sold in India. So Audi is bringing the Q2, Mercedes is bringing in the A-Class sedan. So you're going to have a lot of products in this 35 lakh range, entry level into the luxury brand segment. Of course, you will not get any wood finish on this car. So this is much more plasticky than your average BMW. Even though in Misano Blue it looks fabulous from outside. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. This is the nicest paint job I have seen on a car of this size ever. I mean, the last time I drove a Misano Blue looks really nice anyway, but Misano Blue looks superb on this particular car. The last time I drove a Misano Blue car, I think it was the M5. Of course, an M5 is an M5 is an M5. But this is genuinely a lovely car to drive. 35 lakhs is a lot of money for many of us, and for 35 lakhs you can buy a lot more car. As we know, we can get a Fortuner, Endeavour, or even the new MG Gloucester, which is what I'm driving next actually. Great car. I really hope BMW manages to get the specifications and you know how they load up even the lower end models. I hope they get that right. Because if they do get the specs right, if they do, make sure that the, say, the luxury line or the sport line or the tech line, whatever they want to call it, has a decent feature set. Because it really would be unfortunate if this car meets the same fate as the 1 Series did in India, the first 1 Series did in India. This is a genuinely nice car to drive. I really enjoy driving it, and if you are somebody young, wants to own a luxury brand, might have earlier bought a slightly used 5 Series, but you want a new car. You can't really get better than this. iDrive is still excellent. This digital display is excellent. But the most important thing about BMWs is driving feel. And my God, does this car deliver driving feel in spades. Traffic is a bit bad today, but that gives me a chance to talk to you without much worry. So yes, this little BMW is a brilliant little BMW. I love it, and I think you will love it too.